Put a finger down if your mom ever embarrassed you in front of your friends. Put a finger down if your mom ever told you, when we go into the store, don't ask for nothing, don't touch nothing, don't look for nothing, because you ain't getting nothing. Put a finger down if your mom ever said, I brought you into this world, I can take you right out. Put a finger down if your mom ever gave you the squinty evil look. Put a finger down if your mom ever said, I'm not one of your little friends. Put a finger down if your mom ever told you to check your little tone. Put a finger down if your mom said, if so-and-so jumped off the bridge, would you jump too? Put a finger down if your mom said, I hope you know that schoolwork like you know them songs. Put a finger down if your mom ever did this. Put it back right now. Put a finger down if your mom ever called you, you responded, and she didn't respond until you came to see what she wanted.